It's a huge Category 5 hurricane, Hurricane Beryl, the earliest Category 5 Atlantic hurricane on record. Now, it's got wind speeds of 160 miles an hour. These actually are the sustained wind speeds. The gusts are more than that. We've got 100 to 250 millimetres of rainfall expected and a 3 to 5 foot storm surge. So catastrophic. You can see in the satellite picture exactly where the hurricane is and also the eye. It's going to continue to track westwards in the next few days. And if we follow the track of that, you can see how it pushes towards the south of Jamaica. It may well weaken at times to perhaps a Category 3 as it makes landfall, and then it rejuvenates as it goes back into the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, eventually arriving towards the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico as we go through late Thursday into Friday. Now, the sea temperature has helped feed this hurricane, which is why it's so early. We've got abnormally high sea temperatures. Normally, you would need about 26 Celsius to sustain the life of a hurricane. At the moment, it's closer to 28 or 29. These kind of sea temperatures are what we'd expect at the peak of the hurricane season. The other thing as well is that the hurricane strength winds are 40 miles out from the centre of the hurricane. Interestingly, usually we expect about 7 in an average hurricane season. This season, though, it's looking much more active with 8 to 3 hurricanes expected, and 4 to 7 are looking like they could well be major hurricanes, rather like Hurricane Beryl. The average is 3. Now, closer to home, the weather is a lot quieter, thankfully. The rest of this week it's going to be breezy, be windy in the north on Thursday and in the south on Friday. We'll see some rain at times and temperatures below par for this stage in July. Today, some of us are starting with some sunshine, but more clouds are going to develop through the course of the day. Lucky enough in parts of the southeast for some drizzle. We won't all see it. And also some showers moving from the west towards the east. The brightest conditions will be in some western areas through the afternoon, with temperatures 13 to 20 degrees. Into this evening and overnight, there still will be some showers around, but then that's replaced by some rain coming in across Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, Northern England initially, then into Wales, pushing eastwards, and that's going to be accompanied by strengthening winds, particularly in the northwest. It's not going to be as cold tonight, 9 to 12 degrees, and in the south, largely dry, although there might be some spots of drizzle first thing. So tomorrow the rain continues to edge away into the North Sea. Another cloudy day for most. We're also looking at some showers. There's a higher chance of disruption to play at Wimbledon tomorrow, for example, because we're likely to see a few more showers around. And these are our temperatures, 12 to about 19 degrees north to south. And then just a heads up, on Thursday, it is going to be pretty windy across the north of the country. And then we'll have stronger winds in the south on Friday. And it remains fairly changeable as well. Ben and Sal.
We have been warned. Carol, thank you very much.